Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start game design with Epic Games step by step clearly. To start game design with Epic Games, begin by downloading the Unreal Engine. Visit the Epic Games website and create an Epic Games account if you don't have one. Once your account is set up, navigate to the download section and select the latest version of Unreal Engine. Install the Epic Games Launcher, which manages your Unreal Engine installations and provides access to additional content. Open the Epic Games Launcher and log in with your account credentials. In the Library tab, click on the Install Engine button to download the Unreal Engine. Choose a directory on your computer where you want to install the engine and confirm your selection. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. This may take some time depending on your internet speed. Once installed, return to the Library tab and click on the Launch button to open Unreal Engine. Familiarize yourself with the interface by exploring various panels such as the Viewport, Content Browser, and Toolbar. Create a new project by selecting New Project and choosing a template that fits your game idea, such as first person, third person, or top-down. Set your project settings, including the project name and the file location, then click Create. Once your project is open, explore the Content Browser to import or create assets like models, textures, and sounds. Use the viewport to navigate and place objects into your game world, adjusting their properties as needed. Familiarize yourself with the Blueprint system, which allows you to create gameplay elements without extensive coding. Start adding gameplay mechanics by creating custom blueprints for your characters and interactions. Test your gameplay frequently by clicking on the play button in the toolbar to ensure your game is functioning as intended. Utilize online resources and the Unreal Engine community if you encounter challenges or seek inspiration. As you develop your game, consider optimizing performance and ensuring a smooth player experience. Once your game is complete, prepare it for release by packaging it through the Project Settings menu. Follow the guidelines for distribution, whether you plan to release it on PC or other platforms. Finally, celebrate your achievement and share your game with the community. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.